Here's the key fob. You're going to need to have a small flathead screwdriver like this for this job. Let's go ahead and first locate this little switch. We are going to need to push it down using a fingernail. So while it's pushed down, pry this cover out from the other edge, just the way I'm showing. Get it out carefully. It's going to take a few seconds, so just be patient with it. Once the cover is out, right there you'll notice a small black tab. What we have to do is we have to push it down with a fingernail, and that is going to push that other cover out a little bit, and then use a screwdriver, put it right in that gap, and then slide the screwdriver down all the way. That's going to help you pry out all the clips. Okay, that is looking good, and now the cover comes off. Get the screwdriver again to pry out this battery cap. Put it right where I'm showing and pry it out from there, and the cap comes off. Get the screwdriver and pry the battery out from the little cutout right where I'm putting the screwdriver. Yeah, put it there and pry the battery out. The positive side is with the plus sign, has all the markings on it. The battery size is there on it as well. Negative side has no markings on it. Get the new battery and put it in with the positive side facing upwards. Secure it. Now let's put the cap back on. That's the correct position of the cap. Get it right over there and then press it down to secure it in place. And now let's put the cover on with the Mazda logo, and it goes on the way I'm showing. Align it over there and then just start pressing it together. Be patient, it's going to take a few seconds to make sure that all the clips are engaged. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that's looking good. Moving on to the other side, align it the way I'm showing. You see that little cutout over there on the cover? Yeah, that's the position, and that's how it orients onto the key fob. Now again, just press it down, make sure everything is looking good. That's good, and now let's go ahead and try this out. Unlock is working good. Lock is working good, and that's about it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me just give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.